That's right, Dr. Klobundy joins us in the studio this morning with two precious little pups. They're both shaking, but that could be just because they're starstruck to be on TV.
They are. They're very sweet.
They're adorable.
These are two puppies. They're available through Hands to the Rescue. I'm going to spay and neuter them today, and then they'll be ready for adoption on Saturday. They're 8 weeks old. This is Kyla, and that's Archie, and they're little beagle mixes. So
beautiful.
2 months old, ready to go home this Saturday.
That's right. You're ready to go find a forever home. We will post all the information, as always, on our website and YouTube page for these two little guys. I also want to mention, too, speaking of dogs, there was a pretty heroic effort yesterday by the Coast Guard.
That was amazing. I watched the video. I've probably watched the video about 25 times because it's amazing. And I just want to say great job, Coast Guard. It's so wonderful to have them in our area and to know that not only are the people protected, but those pets out there as well.
Oh, I know. You can't forget that.
Happy ending.
Very happy ending. We also want to talk today about cats. I know we have some puppies here.
Right.
Cats do the strangest things.
They do the strangest things.
One of the big things, I know my cats do this, they knead with their paws. I call it making muffins.
They make muffins. That's I've never heard that, but I like that. So cats do so many strange things, and they do them for so many different reasons. A lot of people think that, you know, cats, not many of them will knead, but some of them will. You especially see this in cats that maybe were taken away from their mom a little too young. So if you think about what that cat was really doing when they were a newborn, they were kneading that mammary gland to try to stimulate milk production.
Okay.
And so they do this when they're feeling very, very comfortable or they need comforting. Just very lovable cats usually do this, and it's pretty neat because not all of them do that.
What about the ankle biting, when you're, especially if you're sleeping at night and they jump on you and they even start hissing sometimes?
Yeah, so two things with that. Usually happens at night, but then my cat does this all the time, hiding behind a piece of furniture, and you walk by, they suddenly pounce at your legs, and this is a hunting instinct, so they're trying to hone their hunting instinct. Lots of cats will sit there and they'll be you pet them and they're all happy, and then all of a sudden they just turn on you and hiss and bite and snap, and that's just them saying, back off, I'm done, I don't want to be pet anymore. But cats are very nocturnal, so people don't realize this. They sleep for up to 20 hours a day.
Oh my goodness.
But those 4 hours that some of them are very, very active usually happen in the middle of the night. People come to me all the time and they say, why is my cat's crazy? They're up all night, they're running, you know, we call them drag strips in stealth mode because their butt's really low to the ground and they just take off in these drag strip tracks around the house. And that's normal, and this is their time to go out and hunt. It's just
their natural instincts are coming out, really.
Yep. Doesn't fit with our schedule, but it's very normal and natural for the cats.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't fit with my schedule sometimes, but you love them anyway. I also want to mention, too, one more time, these two little girls, they are available through AC Paw. They will be ready today.
Right. They will be ready on Saturday.
Oh, I'm sorry, Saturday.
Yep, they'll be spayed and neutered today. This one's a little boy, and this one's a little girl.
I'm
being
sorry,
spayed and neutered today. Yeah, ready on Saturday at Tractor Supply.
Beautiful dogs. Definitely check out these little ones. As always, Dr. Klobundy, thank you so much.
Thank you, Melissa.
Absolutely.